Snoring dad. Eyes wide open. Teeth shining, so proud of himself. Eyes wide open. I know y'all can't see because it's so dark, but his little eyes are wide open. He's your pretty boy. He is a pretty boy. You hear him still snoring. Can you hear Daddy snoring over here? I don't know if you can hear John snoring or not, but he learned this from John. Taught him to do this, and it drives us nuts because he would lay there with his eyes wide open and his eyes all shining and his teeth is all shining in the middle of the night when we're really trying to sleep, snoring. That's a stinker. Look at his little stinker. His little stinker tail. Oh, little stinker. And he only does this when he's in the bed with us. And he's upside down like this. Because he's a little spoiled stinker. Spoiled rotten.